Hey, my name is Mikey, and I help people with AI automations to the point to where I want you to master them so that they don't master you because the AI robots are coming down real quick here trying to take our jobs. So, in this video, what I want to show you is the main reason why I don't use n8n, why I stopped using it, why I hate it, why I want you to not use it, why I want you to throw it in the garbage. Okay, so what's cool about n8n is you have this kind of node-based system, and I'm using a very simple one here, but obviously I'm sure you've seen the super complicated ones. The problem is you do have to be somewhat of a programmer to understand how any of this works, no matter how many videos you watch. You still have to figure out some sort of programming in order for it to work. I've gone through so many different iterations, so many different types of automations, and tried to figure out every single setting in each node and blah 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 blah, to the point to where I wasted so much time. I got stuff figured out, and I did make it further in my ability and knowledge and experience, but what I constantly was looking for is just a way to tell AI to make the thing that I want. So, like, this is an automated B2B lead generation. I'd rather just tell AI to make that for me instead of having to make it for it. No thanks. So that's when I found agent.minimax.im or manis.im or openhands allhands.dev. Agent.minimax is kind of the middle ground one. It's the cheapest one that I found. Manis is very, very reliable, but it also is quite expensive in the credits. Now, what this is, the reason why all of this matters is because, here we go, it has a computer. They both have computers, and you're actually accessing a computer, and it goes and makes all of this stuff in the computer. It creates all of the files, all of the codes, everything, and then goes and actually codes it all for you in its computer. So this was making slides, but it will go and make a full app, back end, front end, side end, all the ends, all the API connections, everything you possibly need to do. n8n cannot do anything like this. I would say n8n is dumb workflows, dumb AI automation workflows, because it's very manual process and you use very convoluted to try to blah, 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 figure out all these different stupid settings, even if you get something to set it up for you. Agent.minimax.io or manis.im or openhands.dev, they will just do it all for you end to end, build the full apps, and then you can even tell it to SSH into your virtual private server, which just means connect to my server, my own computer in the cloud, and install and deploy everything you created there for me. So it's not living in n8n, it's not inside of any sort of app, you have zero limitations, and it's all customized code. It's incredible. It's all proprietary. You own it all. And it does even more that you could imagine, because if you tell it to go make something for you, it's going to go and make it even better than what you could understand how to make it, versus with n8n, which you got to do all of this crazy crap and you got to go through all of this and you got to do all of this. Okay. So if you want, you can go and I will give you a free plan on exactly how to use this. Go to my website, mikey.ai, and I created, for example, this amazing, cool chatbot, lead bot qualifier that helps people figure out exactly what it is you're trying to do and ask you some questions, and then we'll go through and you just answer the questions, and then I will be able to send you the exact plan that you need to be able to figure out whatever it is you're trying to do. You're trying to make faceless videos, you're trying to make $1 million online, what it is that you're trying to AI automate, I will do it for you. I will provide that solution through this and save you 1 billion hours and $1 billion by not using n8n, and by figuring out that you can actually go and just tell AI to build anything that you want using an agentic system like agent.minimax.io or manis.im or allhands.dev. Go check those out. Go over to my website, fill it out. I'll send you a great AI automation customization plan direct for your needs. And then you will not regret it. And you'll be able to throw n8n in the trash. Okay? Because that is where it belongs. It's really cool. And that's what everybody uses. But, like, why? When you could just build your own custom proprietary software and code without being a programmer. I'm not a programmer. I graduated high school with the 2.6 GPA. So if anybody can do this, good Lord, you can. Okay. So get rid of out of the nodes, go buy nodes. Hello, multi-agentic systems. All right, go check it out. I appreciate you. Go over to my website, mikey.ai, and get a free customized plan, and you will save a lot of time and hopefully make a lot of money from it. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day. See you in the next video.